All right, we've got our chocolate coated bundt pan. I'm just gonna put this in the freezer to harden. Alrighty, while we're letting our chocolate harden, I'm just coming in with a bowl and my heavy whipping cream, and I am just gonna pour a good generous amount of this whipping cream into my bowl. And now we are just gonna get this all whipped up. Woo, like magic. That cream is all whipped up. Now you might be wondering why I didn't put any powdered sugar or vanilla in. Well, I am gonna come in with my sweetened condensed milk and just pour this all in here. We want this to be super rich and decadent. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is gonna be so tasty. Oh my goodness, my mouth is watering already. Additionally, I want this to be strawberry flavored, so I'm gonna use my strawberry flavored Jell-O. And you could do any flavor that you like. That's how fun and customizable this is. Alrighty, I'm just gonna get this all mixed together, y'all. This is such an easy, no-bake, refreshing dessert. You could do it just like this for Christmas. These colors would be so cute. You know, they're kind of like a peppermint candy cane, or you could do it green for Halloween or orange for Thanksgiving. The possibilities are just totally endless with the beautiful and colorful flavor combinations available to us. And that's why I love using Jell-O, and you can always do the sugar-free kind to cut down on some of those grams of sugar and calories. All right, our chocolate is solid. Okay, y'all, look how easy this is. I'm just gonna come in with this beautiful strawberry whip, and we're just gonna place this all inside, filling up this gorgeous chocolate mold. And I just use the regular melting chocolates. You can buy Ghirardelli, you can buy just a Walmart brand. You could make it a different color on the outside. This would be so fun, customizable for a birthday or any sort of fun event like a kid's birthday. You could do this pink and blue. You could do it orange and green. The possibilities with this are endless. Such a fun, super easy, simple dessert. All right, we're coming in with a little bit more of our melting chocolate. And I am just gonna pour this all over. We're gonna be smoothing this into an even layer. Hopefully I made enough. Oh yeah. It's right on top of that cool, well, not Cool Whip, but whipped topping mixture. I'm gonna try and get this as even as I can, covering up all of the strawberry whip and connecting it to the sides where we have our other chocolate crust. Alrighty, I'm gonna pop this back in the freezer. Alrighty, y'all, this just went back into the freezer for about 20 minutes and we are ready. I am just gonna grab my little plate here, put it on top of my bundt and give that a flip. Oh, now I'm just gonna start peeling this back, peeling up my silicone bundt here. Look at that. That chocolate is so smooth. Just gonna do this very, very carefully. Oh, wow. Just so carefully. Look at that. Oh my gosh, y'all. It's beautiful. Wow. And you could use any kind of flavoring that you want inside of the chocolate mold, the bundt. Oh, it is stunning. What a beautiful dessert. I can't believe how well this came out. I'm gonna just, I almost don't want to cut into this because it's so pretty, but.
Here you go.
Oh God. Oh no. Oh no. It's so thick. That's why the top is so thick and the sides.
There we go. There we go.
Look, and then you can just break this with your friends and dip and enjoy.
That's good.